Hello, and welcome to Dodge the Cops. In this revolutionary app, we actually mapped out each and every parking ticket. What you're seeing here is actually only a subset of 800,000 tickets that were issued in New York City in 1 month. We only show you 1 week because if not it would look like a mountain of dots. So, let's see. Here we are at the financial district, and as we can see there's definitely some clustering going on. If we decide to click on one of these dots, it actually gives us a lot of information. We see here that this guy was expired municipal meter. He was fined $65. His license plate, the day he was here, even the full address and latitude and longitude. Very interesting. Here we see some trending also. This person was fined for no standing. No standing. Well, so it seems like everyone was fined for the same thing, which brings me to my next point. What we decided to do was to accumulate by street block all this information to see what would it look like. So here's our cumulative view. Each block has been coded by a color, which denotes how many tickets were given there. Also, we can switch the map view to show us how many accumulated fines were given there. So like you can map it by both the fine amount and how many individual tickets were given. So let's investigate. We got here, well, 82 tickets were given for a total of $9,000. We have switched views and we're seeing how tickets accumulate in terms of frequency. So we can see here that here 52 tickets were issued. This is pretty substantial. Next, I'll show you our API. Using just regular API commands, you can actually query all our database. So here we actually have our code. It starts off like any other code. Here are our URLs. Here are functions which differentiate between the different types. We have JSON, HTML, and RDF. They're marked up with schema.org and DBpedia. And then that leads to our database, which actually takes our information, makes it nice and formatted, adds the tags, and issues them out. So let's run the API. We first load into memory about 1,000 of them. This is just to make it faster in terms of loading, but it can actually retrieve all 800,000 tickets. So we can start off with like a list of tickets. Let's see how 1,000 tickets looks. So here we have in JSON format 1,000 tickets and all their information. We can also actually query individual streets, but first let's do every street. Here we see every street and all the information associated with it. We can do individual streets, and here we see RDF with all the nice DBpedia formatting. And we can do an individual ticket, and we'll show you the HTML with schema.org formatting. It's very nice. Thank you so much. Alpha.